Hello, Miss. I am Kevin. I am from grade 8 and I'm going to explain you about COVID-19 and what does it cause and what will and how do they cause it. Okay, first we need to understand what is a virus. A virus is a huge haul around like genetic entering genetic things, genetic material like RNA and a few protein, and it's not a living thing. It can make more by entering a living cell. COVID-19 could be could stay in the surfaces like a pen, and we not yet know how long it lives in the surface, so that's kind of dangerous. Their main way of spreading is by coughing or sneezing, or you touch an infected person and rubbing your hands in your mouth, nose, or eyes. They travel from the nose through the neck all the way to our lungs. Now, in the lungs, they have a lot of epithelial cells. Epithelial cells is like a border of your lungs. For example, this is the organ. This is the organ, and this is epithelial cells. It's like a border. And COVID-19 infects these cells. One virus enters one cell, and they told the cell to copy and create more viruses. That there's a ton of viruses until the cell ran out of energy and materials, and they do one last thing, that is to self-destruct. So they melt like that. It's not kaboom, but they melt, and a ton of COVID-19 sprung up and infect more epithelial cells. When our immune system arrives, and wants to attack and get ready to battle the virus, COVID-19 infect the immune cells and make them attack each other and make them attack healthy epithelial cells. And our immune system uses called cytokinesis, that so they can communicate to each other. Now, when our immune system arrives to our lungs, to our infected part, COVID-19 use almost like a cytokinesis and makes them go into rapid rage and like a battle mode, and they make our immune system tell other immune system, very many immune system to come, and that is wasting a lot of our immune system resources, and we don't need a lot of our immune cells. So after they actually do this to call two of our most dangerous cells. One of them is called neutrophils. They are great at attacking viruses, but they are very great at attacking our own cells that could be like our own immune cells or our own healthy cells. So that will make more damage to the lungs, and that could be a very, very dangerous thing. Now, the second is called a killer T cell. Killer T cell is actually just like a messenger that to make a cell self-destruct if they're infected or if they're too dangerous. And they don't attack the virus, but they attack the cells that is infected, so they don't produce more. Now, when killer T cells got infected by the COVID-19, they kill our healthy cells and infected cells very fast. So that's going to be much more damage to the lungs. And after a few weeks, well, our immune system will deal off that infection, but after that infection, our immune system is very weak. And I told you about our immune cells, and COVID-19 is attacking the border of the lungs. And after the infection, the border is have a hole, and that hole, the border cells, the border cells got killed, and there's a hole through the cells, kind of like that. Just imagine a big wall of China and there's a hole through it. After that, our lung, one of the cells is called alveoli, that could nutrient, that is the, transfer of the carbon dioxide and the oxygen switch places. And if our alveoli sucks bacteria, and it goes through our blood, and that will infect the whole lung, because our immune cells is still weak. After it infect the whole lung, it infected our whole body, and after it infected all of our body, that could mean into death. So yeah, this is my explanation of the COVID-19. I hope you enjoy, and good afternoon. Bye.